No.
अरे सोनल का
fantastic. I've been, supporting the Miss India title as a mentor for the past 7 or 8 years. And every time I see, all these beautiful girls who come from the Northeast, I always wonder, the place is beautiful, the people are beautiful. When will we ever get a chance to go there? And this time I feel like, there's a part of me that actually put it out in the universe to have the opportunity to actually come this far and come in so much grandeur that it feels fantastic, because I think the blend is amazing. And I look forward to spending time here. I have spent time in the past in the Northeast, and I really hope that one of the girls from the Northeast also takes away a bit of the crown or the entire crown. I'm really rooting for lots of them. Yes, absolutely. I know girls from the Northeast have done really well even in the past, and I know that they will continue to do well in the future. So there's no taking away from that. They're bright, they're beautiful, they're intelligent, they're talented, and oh my God, they're really, really talented. And in the most wonderful way, I feel like they're so. For me, I've always found them extremely striking, and I know the crop this time. I know a bunch of girls who've come this time, and we've done the pre-judging, we've done the personal interview rounds, and I promise you, they're as smart as they're beautiful, and they're as beautiful as they're bright. So there's no stopping them. I beg to differ, because I started off as one, and there were parts of my friends and family who didn't think that it was a real job, and I'm living off it for the past 22 years, so I must have done something right. You can have all the criteria, and for me, I'm a judge tonight, and it's very exciting, but because I've done this so many times in the past, you could have different criteria. There's also like different mandates of international contests that you fill out, but more importantly, you also think that, okay, fine, you need to have a check on how they walk, there's presence, there's beauty, there's brains, there's all of that. And then for me, I feel like, which maybe the other judges don't see, but my personal criteria when I'm judging someone on stage is definitely confidence, it's definitely comfort, and it's definitely personality. Those are the three things that set you apart. And no matter how much I say over here, I know that when I go there, I will be confused about, who's going to take it home tonight. There's always a really tight fight, first to bring them down to 12, which of course is a lot to do with the pre-judging score which we've done, then to bring them down to 6, then finally, the difference between the girl who takes it home and the one who just about misses the crown is probably like, a 0.1 or something. It's never that anyone's had a bad night when it comes to Miss India, because they're all state representatives, but it's just that one girl has had a better night than the rest. Thank you.